Dan here at Roseum Maple Syrup. Today we're going to be hanging up some of our 3/16 tubing to get started for the 2023 season. We're going to use our yoke that we made that can help spool and unspool the tubing. Hopefully it goes really well. It worked awesome taking down our lines. We're going to see today how it works putting them back up. We're going to start at the bottom, walk our way up the hill, pull everything tight, and move on to the next roll. Okay, sometimes we will use a tension strap just to kind of wrap around the tubing and around the tree to kind of snug it up and hold it for us when we're getting started with unspooling. We've got this kind of snugged up right here, and I'm going to pick up the yoke and head up the hill. Okay, up we go. When we reach the top, we'll turn around, come back down, and put all new spiles on our line. Okay, that worked great. Just putting on our last tap on this line. We're going to snug up the tubing and move on to the next one. This is the 5th line we've hung. This is one of our shorter lines, but gone up to over 1,200 feet and 30 plus taps on a single line using the spool, and it worked excellent. Okay, there we go, all done. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.